In this video, I will be solving the without doubles problem of the Logic-1 section. Here comes the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement now. Return the sum of two 6-sided dice rolls, each in range of 1 to 6. However, if no doubles is true, and if the two dice show the same value, increment one die to the next value, wrapping around to 1 if its value was 6. So in the without doubles method, we will be given two integer values and one boolean value. These two integer values will be representing the face of a regular die having the range 1 to 6 both inclusive, and this boolean will be representing a no doubles value which can be either true or false. In a normal scenario, we are supposed to return the sum of both of the dice, that is die 1 plus die 2. However, in case we get no doubles to be true, and if we get die 1 is equal to die 2, that is two of the dice show the same value, then we need to increment one die to the next value and wrap it around to 1 if its value was 6. So now let's break out this line. In original case, this will be the result. Okay, so we can write it like this. Now we check the condition. If no doubles is true, for which we can write if no doubles, and two dice show the same value, for which we can write die 1 is equal to die 2. If such is the case, then what will happen? For that we can study these examples which will give you a better clarity. Okay, I already have copied them. See, here the no doubles is true and die 1 is equal to die 2. In this case, the result instead of 6 is 7 because we incremented either die 1 or die 2 by 1, and hence the final result was 7. In third example, same dice are being passed, that is 3 and 3, but no doubles is false. Hence the original logic is being followed, that is die 1 plus die 2. However, one thing has to be noted, that is this, wrapping around to 1 if its value were 6. So for example, if we got something like 3 plus, or die 1 as 3 and die 2 as 6. Die 1 as 6 and die 2 as 6. And we got no doubles as true. No doubles as true. In this case, instead of incrementing it by 1, we would have to change any of the die to 1, which would mean we have wrapped it around to 1 when its value was 6. Hence the final result in this case will be 7. So now let's write the logic for this. Since here die 1 and die 2 both are having the same values, we can refer either of them. So let's refer the die 1. If die 1 is equal to 6, if that's the case, then we change it to 1 or wrap its value back to 1. Else what we do? Else we increment its value by 1. Die 1 plus equal to 1. And finally, outside the if block, we are regularly or normally returning the die 1 plus die 2. Hence, this is the complete logic. The code will come inside this if block if both of these conditions will be true, then only. Now, let me copy it and add it here. And let me run the test cases to verify the logic. All of the test cases are passing. Now let me copy this code and submit it to ID. All correct. We can also handle this logic in a single line. Let me show you how. For this, we can write die1 equal to, first of all, we check whether its value is equal to 6 or not. If this is the case, then we wrap around its value back to 1, else we increment its value by 1, die1 plus 1. This will also give us the same result only. Yes. Now let me submit the final code on platform and push the code to GitHub. And verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.